Hello guys, straight back to you with a new solution of Leetcode with Python. So we have the shuffle array problem. So our target, the goal, we have the array and we have some values like some x's and then we got some y's. So at start there are all x's and then we have all y's. So but we need to sort it like one x, one y, one x, one y. And what am I going to do? First of all, I'm going to start to erase x's and y's. Probably I have no need to explain the title of these two arrays. Then I'm going to start two for loops for num in range of length nums, and if num smaller than n, so also we have the n. It is like length of whole array but divided into kind of like that. And if number is smaller than n, we're going to append nums num. So we are appending x to n. Yeah, like n, it is like we have the whole array, and for example, it has like 10 elements. So our n will be 5, and probably before 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is x's. But then like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is going to be y's. So you understood, it's like breakpoint between x's and y's, and it is breakpoint between x's and y's, and if the number is smaller than breakpoint, we're going to sort it to an x's, and in other way I'm going to sort it to an y's and append number to an y's array. Then I'm going to start I'm going to start new array which will be called unique, and I'm going to use a zip function. I'm going to run double for loop in zip x's and y's, and unique dot append x and unique dot append y. But probably unique doesn't describe clearly what this array does. Probably I need to rename it to result. So understand, we are running two for loops at the same time, and firstly we append x and then we append in y, and it's like one by one, like in a for loop. So as you can see, it might work. Little mistake, I didn't return result. Little mistake, forgot about it. Oh, yeah, and as you can see, it beats 73% of users with Python in a runtime, but unfortunately it beats only 10% of users with Python in memory. So I hope this video was helpful for someone. Bye bye.